The stone curlew is a unique and enigmatic bird, known for its distinctive appearance and nocturnal habits. These medium-sized birds have long legs, large yellow eyes, and mottled brown plumage that provides excellent camouflage in their preferred habitats of open grasslands and stony areas. Stone curlews are most active at night when they hunt for insects, worms, and other invertebrates. Their haunting calls, often heard at dusk and dawn, add to their mysterious allure. Despite their name, stone curlews are not closely related to true curlews, but belong to a different family of birds. A fascinating bird of the night.